Hello, New York City Public Schools, Office of Food Nutrition Services, supervisors, assistant supervisors, department heads. My name is Frank Kitchen. You can find out more about me by going to frankkitchen.com. But I've been invited to come and work with you on Friday, November 3rd by your leadership. Yes, I'm going to be coming in and we're going to have a little fun. We're doing a little program called It's Okay to Play, gaming your way to a rich workplace culture, because I understand that you want to create a workplace environment where you're not only cooking up tasty results for the students that you work with, but for the people that you work with also. We're working to create a workplace environment that people want to be a part of, a workplace environment where dreams and people flourish. And how are we going to do it? We're going to have some mindset flipping exercises with some prizes on Friday, November 3rd for about 90 minutes as we work together as a team to figure out, to collaborate, to put together techniques and recipes on what we can do to create a workplace environment where people want to be a part of and tasty results are cooked up. So in order to be here for that program, all I'm going to ask you to do is look at the bottom of the video here, the information that came with it, get signed up, get registered, and meet me Friday, November 3rd, and we're going to have a great time learning, laughing, and more importantly, transforming lives for the people that we work with. So I'll see you then in New York City, and until then, once again, look at all the information that came with this video, or go to frankkitchen.com to learn more about me and the programs that we will be doing there with you in a few short days.